And also you will get this nice bag from ASUS, and this is quite like a protective bag. And here that's the leather finish and anti-rain top. The whole thing is anti-rain, and very nice sponge and everything on all the sides. So you'll get this bag free. What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well. So in this video I'm going to unbox and check one laptop. Well, this is the one. It's from ASUS. So this is a budget laptop. You know, different kind of laptops are there, so you gotta find the perfect laptop for you according to your purpose. So you're gonna need this for your study, or for gaming, or for graphics work, or just for time pass. That's up to you. So this is the best budget laptop from ASUS, and this is ASUS VivoBook, and this thing is having the i3 processor of 12th generation. And I'm going to tell you the price. The price is like I already told you the budget price. So this is the bluish color, not light blue, dark blue. And this is the slim box packing. You can see that's the model number X1504ZA. That's the model number. So let's quickly unbox this thing and then check it out. So this is the top itself, and here you can see the ASUS VivoBook is written right there. So this is the bottom side of this one, and the vents are there at the top, and these two are the speaker, the right side speaker and the left side speaker. And on here, that's the, what to say, wide line to angle it up, tilt it like that, and two pads are there at the bottom. So this is very thin line laptop. Here you can see on the left side you get just one USB port right there, and at the right side you get this power socket right there, then HDMI and USB. You get two USB port, one is 2.0 and another one is 3.1, and then you get the type C socket and also the combo audio socket for mic and headphone. So that's it. Here, that's the adapter. It's a 45-watt adapter, very cute one, small in size, you know, you can see. Not like the older ones, the bigger ones. It's very small in size and also light in weight. And the cord length is quite good. But the AC cord length, on the other hand, it's not that lengthy. It should have given a bit of lengthy wear. Not even 1 meter, I guess, 2 feet like that. So that's it. Now let's open it up. So this is the front side. That's big. Touchpad is right there. Only you don't get the fingerprint on this model. You'll get the fingerprint in another version of this model. So that's the keyboard. The nice thing is that you get a backlit keyboard, which is very convenient to use in the low light condition like that. Here, Intel Core i3 logo. You get Microsoft Office pre-installed, and here some other specs are there. 180-degree screen and military grade, the body, everything, and also the ASUS AI noise cancellation mic, which is very nice for video recording or audio recording, and also the conference and all. That's very convenient, and the build quality is amazing. That's why it's saying the military grade quality, build quality. So let me turn this thing on once. And another nice thing is that you get this manual, to say, cover for this webcam. Here you can see the orange color. I slide that to the right. Here now you can see the camera right there. Now I slide that to that side. It's covered up, which is very safe to use for kids and women's and for everyone, I guess. So that's it. Now let me turn this thing on. Right here you can see the backlit keyboard is right there. and that's it, it's turned on. So that's the screen, and the display is quite good. And also I have used this thing before from one of my friend, and this thing was amazing for the budget price range. Like, I'm gonna need this thing for my video editing only. So this thing is nice. I get the UHD graphics inbuilt, Intel graphics Ultra HD, which is gonna work for me better. And the performance is very nice, smooth, of course. So let's check out the screen. It goes 180 degree, just like this. So like you are doing work from this side using the laptop, and someone is sitting on this side and you just want to share the screen, so just like this only. That's the very nice thing. And this thing is having i3 12th generation processor and 8 GB of RAM and 512 GB of SSD. So totally quiet and smooth operation. So I got this thing for just 31,500, like that. So this thing, you'll find this thing around that much price, online, offline, anywhere like that. But if you are from Kolkata, then I'll give the shop number in the description below, so you can call them and check that out. Maybe you'll get the same price like you get online from that shop too, but from that shop you'll get very nice service, and that you'll remember. So that's the very important thing. So just once check out my description for the phone number and you can contact them. So that's it. So now I have turned on the YouTube and now check out the sound, the stereo sound.
Here comes trouble, putting on a show, like a domino, I fall, another bottle, don't know what to say, send me on my way to you. I know you're all that I want, but I don't, leave me lonely, I'll show you another way.
The sound is quite good, and also the stereo effect is there as two speaker on this side and on here at the bottom side, as I showed you before. So the sound is very nice, and it's not very loud, like you cannot listen to the sound properly if you're working using it to a very loud environment like that. But for home use, the sound is quite good. But if you need more, you can connect speaker, Bluetooth speaker, or headphone, or whatever you want, because Bluetooth is there. So that's it. That was the testing video of this ASUS VivoBook laptop, and hope you guys gonna like the video. If you want to know anything more about this product or anything else, you can ask me in the comments below, and check out my other channels. You will find the links in the description below. So that's it. That's all for today. If you didn't subscribe to my channel yet, then click the button, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more videos like this. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.